This is your CMP exam prep. In this video, you're gonna learn how to show up, what to say, and how to ensure that you're doing everything within your power to secure that 100% PNT. Hey everyone, my name is Ruben Gaimon, CEO of VA Claims Made Easy. I'm 100% permanent and total disabled vet, and I've been through this process, and I wanna make sure that you as a veteran watching these videos never have to deal with the same process again so that you can go and knock it out the first time. So let's get into it. The CMP exam is where most veterans loses their claims. Not because they don't qualify, but because they don't know how to show up properly. Let me be clear, this isn't therapy, this isn't boot camp, this is a government evaluations. You need to show up smart, honest, and prepared. I've been through it myself. I've helped other veterans like yourself go through the same process. And today I'm gonna break it down step by step on how you can win your CMP exam and avoid the traps that keep so many veterans stuck. The number one thing most veterans get wrong is they show up and act like they're having the best day ever. And this is partially a pride thing, because while serving in the military, we're taught to suck it up, we're taught to be tough, we're taught to be soldiers, and soldiers don't complain. And that mentality carries over when you leave your service. So when it comes to the CMP, you have to completely disassociate yourself from that mentality and understand that this is one of the most crucial points in this whole process, and your actions and how you carry yourself directly correlate to the ratings that you have or the ratings that you will receive. Understand that the VA is not judging your strength, they're evaluating your limitations. So go in there and be brutally honest about your worst day. If it takes you 10 minutes to get out of bed, you have to convey that to the evaluator. You have to explain and make sure they understand that it actually takes you 10 minutes to get out of bed because you're dealing with so much pain. If you cannot sit longer than 15 minutes, you have to convey that to the evaluator and let them understand. If your anxiety makes it impossible to go into public spaces, you have to explain that. Do not go in there trying to be Rambo or John Wick. Those guys are fictional character. You are a real soldier, you are a veteran, and you have probably been through worse than those individuals. Go in there and show it. That's what the VA needs to see and hear. Do not downplay your reality. Number two, do not try to impress them. Understand the CMP exam is not a job interview. A lot of veterans fall into this trap. They go in there smiling, giggling, joking with the examiner. They say, I'm good, when asked how they're doing. Understand that the examiner is not your friend. They work for the VA, they work for the government, and they're there to determine whether or not you should get compensated for the rest of your life. They're not your friend. Don't try to act normal or high functioning because you want their pity. They're not gonna give it to you. What's gonna happen is they're gonna put that you're acting fine and your rating is gonna get cooked. This whole system is not about being liked or feelings, it's about proof and evidence. You have one job to do. Show them exactly how your condition is affecting your ability to function throughout your life. And once you can do that, you will get one step closer to winning your CMP exam and getting that rating that you deserve. Step 3, avoid the therapy trap, mental health claims. If you're going in for PTSD, anxiety, depression, evaluation, listen closely. This is not a therapy session. The examiner isn't there to help you. They're there to document and rate you. Don't go and sugarcoat or minimalize how you feel mentally. Don't try to be a tough guy. Don't say simple things like, it's not that bad, I tried not to think about it, I managed. Those phrases will cost you so much in your rating process. Instead, talk about your sleep issues, your nightmares, your isolations, your anger and irritability. Talk about your inability to hold relationships or jobs. You don't need to give them the sad story, just clear, concrete evidence, symptoms that are specific to your life and how it's altering you. Step 4, understanding the differences between mental versus physical CMP exam. These two types of exam work very differently. Your mental health CMP is mostly verbal questions focused on daily functionality, thoughts, emotions, and social behaviors. This is usually 30 to 60 minutes long and is done by a psychologist. Next is your physical CMP exam. This is where they're going to be checking your body, your physical limitations, such as back, knees. This includes your range of motion testing, your pain level, your functional limitations such as sitting, standing, lifting. For both types of these exams, always states what's your worst day look like, not how you feel that day. Remember, if it hurts, say it hurt. Don't push through the pain. Don't push through the test like you're back at the gym. You have to convey exactly what's going on with you. It is your responsibility, and it would drastically affect your rating if you don't. Step 5. Mention your personal statements. If you get nervous, forget things, or struggle to talk about your trauma, mention your personal statements. You can literally say, I wrote a personal statement explaining exactly what I'm dealing with in details. Can you please refer to that if I miss anything today? That way, you have a backup plan and you leave nothing to chance. Better yet, bring a printed copy with you and hand it to your examiner. I really wish someone had told me this when I was going through my CMP exam, because it would save me so much time and so much energy and make the process so much simpler for me to be able to claim my benefits faster. Step 6, don't let them bully you. Some examiners are professionals, some are not. If you feel rushed, talked over, disrespected, stay calm but firm. Say, please document what I'm saying fully. This is important to my claim. You have the right to be heard. If you feel something is wrong, you can submit a statement after the exam through the va.gov. Step 7, the range of motion test. Critical mistakes to avoid. For physical claims, this is where they try to catch you. You'll be asked to bend over, lift, and twist, but here's the trap. You're being watched the whole time, from the waiting room, sometimes even the parking lot, to you walking into the office. So what that means is go prepared. Don't go dressed up fancy. Don't go with your fresh new Jordans where you don't want to scuff. Go in there prepared. If you're in pain on your worst day, how would you actually look? I know for me, when I'm going through my back pain and I'm struggling, I'm not getting up to go dressed up. I'm not being the most sunniest person. I'm usually in sweats with some flip-flops, and I am trying my hardest to alleviate the pain. You need to be able to bring that level to the CMP exam. If you tell them you can't bend past 45 degrees, but they watch you tie your shoes in the lobby, that will be noted. So again, embody your worst day, move slow, be honest, say it hurts if it hurts, stop if you need to, and understand that every single action that you take is directly correlated to the ratings that you receive. Last but not the least, trust the process, but be strategic. Do not go in there and wing your CMP exam. Don't treat it casually. This is the main battlefield of your claims. If you have submitted a strong package, your nexus letter is on point, your DBQ is on point, your personal statement is on point, and then your exam is the final verification step, and you go in there and pretend that you're John Wick, you are going to drastically alter the results that you're looking for. This is one of the reasons why I'm building the VA Claims Made Easy app, the first ever AI-powered agent app in your pocket that's going to help you prep for all of these process and all of these steps to ensure that you are confident in your ability to go and get the benefits that you truly deserve, that you have earned from serving your country. With that being said, guys, my name is Ruben Gaima, CEO of VA Claims Made Easy, and if this brought you value, simply take a look at this next video. It's gonna do the same, and send this video to a veteran that you know is going to benefit from this information. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.